Imagine a hormone so powerful that it controls how your body use sugar, fat and even proteins. This hormone is insulin, and when it fails, diabetes develops. Pancreas have three cells, alpha, beta and the gamma cells. Alpha cell produce glucagon which increase blood glucose level, increase glycogenolysis, increase gluconeogenesis and increase lipolysis. The second cells are beta cells. Beta cells produce insulin which decrease blood glucose level, increase glucose uptake by the muscles, they increase glycogen synthesis, increase protein synthesis and lipogenesis, where the last are the delta cells that produce somatostatin hormones, and they are helpful in decreasing insulin secretion, decreasing glucagon secretion, and they decrease GI motility and absorption. This is all about pancreas and its hormone. For diabetes, watch the next video.